Aujourd'hui, nous voulons vous donner un aperçu des activités collectives de recherche que nous organisons à Neoma. La recherche de l'école est structurée autour de 4 pôles d'excellence, en prise directe avec les grands enjeux contemporains. The Future of Work, The World We Want, The Complexity Advantage, and AI, Data Science and Business. Au sein de ces pôles d'excellence, nous organisons des séminaires et des ateliers pour aider la faculté, c'est-à-dire nous, à développer notre recherche, créer des synergies entre chercheurs et par-dessus tout, renforcer et nourrir une communauté de recherche dans laquelle nous puissions nous soutenir mutuellement. Ce soutien est essentiel et nous l'encourageons fortement au sein de la faculté de Neoma.
To give you an example of a workshop that we organized, today 8 professors from the Future of Work area are here in Avignon for a qualitative paper development workshop. We spend 3 days together where we provide each other detailed feedback about our individual papers. We also set aside some time so that we can write and incorporate the feedback we have received to discuss the difficulties we are facing. Our goal is to help each other strengthen the content, relevance, and potential impact of our papers. We all focus on qualitative methodology but come from different cultures and disciplines: strategy, management, marketing, accounting. We felt that having an interdisciplinary workshop would allow us to get different perspectives and enrich our discussions around the various phenomena that we study.
Ce séminaire a été initié et co-organisé par Nishani et moi-même. Choix du lieu, méthodologie de travail, rythme d'échange, tout a été conçu sur mesure pour favoriser une dynamique de collaboration et de développement concret de nos recherches. C'est important et appréciable d'avoir cette liberté d'initiative et le soutien pour organiser ces événements d'une façon qui corresponde vraiment à nos besoins pour développer des papiers de recherche d'une qualité suffisante pour être, in fine, acceptés pour publication dans les meilleurs journaux.
Beyond advancing our research, the workshop is also a moment of connecting with colleagues. We chose a setting that is disconnected from our professional and personal environment so that we could fully focus, but also have time to get to know each other better during informal moments, such as over dinners and lunches. We have found that developing a trustful relationship helps us to give and receive the authentic and direct feedback that we often need to move our work forward. Overall, we hope that these 3 days together will help foster high-quality research and meaningful connections.
I'm leaving re-inspired and with lots of motivation to revise.
This workshop really shows the excellence of our research community at Neoma, and I really enjoyed the collaborative and interdisciplinary atmosphere of the workshop.
7 colleagues from different disciplines read my paper and wrote detailed feedback. Having them afterwards all together in one room for a whole hour, discussing suggestions for improvement, it's really priceless.